In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero to a bank account. Connecting your bank feed in Xero is one of the most important steps to keep your books up to date and reduce manual data entry. I'll walk you through the whole process, click by click, so you can follow along on your own screen. Once you're logged into Xero and you're on the main dashboard, start by going to the top menu. Look for the tab labeled Accounting. This is where Xero keeps everything related to your accounts and bank feeds. Click on Accounting and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to the page that lists all the bank accounts and credit cards you've already added in Xero. If this is your first time, this page might be mostly empty, and that's completely fine. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a button that says Add Bank Account. Go ahead and click that. This is how you tell Xero which bank you want to connect and where your bank feed should come from. Next, Xero will show you a search box or a list of popular banks. Here, you need to select the bank you actually use. Start typing the name of your bank, and when it appears in the list, click on it. If your bank has multiple options, like different regions or types of connections, choose the one that matches your situation. If you do not see your bank, it may mean that direct feeds are not available, and you may need to use statement imports instead, but for now, we'll continue with the standard online feed. After selecting your bank, Xero will ask you to fill in some details about the account. This usually includes the account name, the account type, and the account number or IBAN. The account name is how it will appear inside Xero, so choose something clear, like business checking or savings. Make sure the account number details exactly match what's on your bank statement, because this is what Xero uses to align the feed with your real account. Once all the required fields are filled in, click the Save and Continue button. This confirms the setup inside Xero and moves you on to the secure connection process. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will usually redirect you to your bank's login page or open a secure window where you sign in to your online banking. You may be asked to select which accounts to share with Xero and how far back you want the transactions to come in. Carefully read each step, approve the connection, and confirm any security checks your bank requires. When you finish those prompts, your bank account will be linked to Xero and your transactions will begin to flow through automatically.